Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Care Felicity and this one is from Paris Corner. This is the latest edition in their Care series and this is what we are talking about. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So let's see what this perfume is all about. This is how the box looks like. So the box is also nice golden and silver details going on and with some textured pattern. जितने भी खैर के boxes हैं उनमें similar ही pattern है, just the color combination is different. Has a very sharp metallic look to it, which is quite glaring and quite irritating on the eyes for some reason. But this is how the box is. There's a quality assurance sticker right here, which tells you that this is an original product. This is how the bottle looks like. Now it is a see-through bottle and you can see how much dent I have given in this perfume. I've been testing and trying this for a week now and I have obviously consolidated all of my thoughts in this journal. So I will give you a full-blown review and every detail that you need to know about Felicity. So yeah, the packaging is really nice. The bottle looks good. It's see-through. You can see the dent. The cap is the typical hair series ka cap, which is nice, looks elegant, and a golden atomizer. And let me just take this perfume strip and let's just give it a good spray. So the sprayer is nice, diffuses the product really well, and overall, like, the packaging is just amazing. Now let's talk about this perfume. Let's talk about what I feel about it. Before I go there, I will share the notes breakdown on this one. So according to me, this perfume category is more or less like a sweet floral with fizziness and airiness and that champagne-y feel in this fragrance. So that's what the overall category is. The notes breakdown is it opens up with champagne, freesia and cassis, mid notes of jasmine, musk and may rose, and base notes of sugar, vanilla and musk. So this is more or less like a sweet floral fragrance without the hints of fruitiness in this. It does not have that freshness, juiciness of fruits in here. It's a mature floral fragrance with some hints of sweetness in this. This one is released recently in 2025 and said to be a dupe of Kayali Wedding Silk Santal 36. Now, as the name suggests, it's like the wedding silk santal, which kind of has this indication that it may be like a nice bridal fragrance, and so is Felicity. Felicity, to my nose, feels very elegant, very put together, very classy. Somebody who is wearing this beautiful white gown, or somebody who's wearing a nice pastel gown or a pastel ghagra choli, like the lehenga these days are pastels in Indian weddings as well. So a bride who is actually wearing a nice pastel or a light colored dress, and she is the focus of the event. She has this beautiful bridal entry with all the floral, delicate floral decor around her, and वो फूलों की चादर उसके सर के ऊपर लेकर the whole clan is bringing her on the stage. वो पूरा प्रोसेस मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था. लाइक एक वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुआ है ना, वेयर लाइक द ब्राइड इज़ कमिंग टूवर्ड्स द ग्रूम, स्पेशली अनुष्का. सो अनुष्का शर्मा का वो पेस्टल पिंक, ब्लश पिंक लहंगे में एंट्री करना, सराउंडेड बाय हर लव्ड वंस एंड ऑल द फ्लोरल डेकोर, दैट्स द एग्जैक्ट पिक्चर दैट आई वाज गेटिंग विद दिस. Later on, so many celebrities have followed that trend of using pastels in their wedding. And even Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara had that similar moment. This perfume reminded me of those moments. Basically, when I saw that was the mental picture that I got. So it has a very distinct classiness, elegance, a bridal feel to it, something that looks and feels very delicate, very nurturing, very beautiful, very pretty, very feminine, and the woman with all its glory, there's a glow on her face. She's happy, she's smiling, she's enjoying the day, and the whole day is about her getting married and starting a new life. This perfume has that kind of a feel to it. So what I have written in my notes is also that it gave me a feeling of feeling very pure, feeling very perfect, feeling very pure, feeling very innocent. not knowing things, you are stepping into a new life, you're stepping into a new journey. So that beauty of not knowing things and still smiling your way into it, this is the kind of fragrance that this one reminded me of. So that's about the overall feel and the notes breakdown on this one. This definitely has a very sweet floral opening to it. And you know that sugar mixing up with all of these floral elements, cases of freesia, jasmine, all of these florals blending so well with sugar, with champagne. It has a fizziness to it. It has an airiness to it. It kind of has a good champagne fizzy vibe. So एक toast देते हैं ना to the couple. It reminds me of those instances also, like those glimpses just come in my mind, कि you're like raising a toast to the couple. तो वो जो champagne का fizziness है, that whole aura basically very positive, very smiley, very happy. That kind of aura is what this perfume is all about. Coming to performance, this one gives me a longevity of 5 hours, and I definitely like to respray it once in 4 hours or so because I like refreshing my fragrances. This has a soft projection. It does not like, also the sillage is moderate. It doesn't like fill the room. It doesn't have a very strong perfume tail. It is something which is soft. It's nice when somebody hugs you or somebody comes near to speak to you. That's when they will enjoy the wisp of this one. It's so non-offensive, and with all of these qualities, it does make up for a good office wear fragrance as well. So if you're like elegantly dressed up for the office and you like yourself a nice delicate perfume, then this will be a good perfume even for office wear, is what I think. Is this a safe blind buy? Yes, it is. I don't find it to be very loud. I don't find it to be very disturbing to others. Definitely a good safe blind. This is definitely feminine. I don't see this as a unisex fragrance. It has a very girly, a very womanly vibe to it. Also, this one is priced for 2,499 rupees for 100 ml. You'll get some discount if you purchase from scentopiaperfumes.com. I also have a non-affiliated coupon if you want to make use of it to get additional 5% off. On Fragrantica, this one has a rating of 4.45 out of 5. For me, I think this could come to 8 out of 10. Although this one is from a Middle Eastern brand, it does not have any Middle Eastern feel to it. It has a very modern, a very designer feel to it. It does not have those heavy oudiness or masculinity or, any animalic or leathery feel to it. It's a very delicate floral fragrance, which is very sweet and a very modern and designer feel to it. So now I'll just run you through some of the adjectives or some of the words that I could relate to this fragrance. So I'll just read through that real quick. So this feels like a simple perfume, but it is kind of a little complicated as well. Good for everyday use as well as for bridal occasions. This has a modern Western designer feel to it, happy and an emotional vibe to it. This is the kind of fragrance that can give you nostalgia. Like if you wear something like this on your wedding day, obviously whenever you will smell this, you will get that nostalgia, you will get reminded of that time. So definitely it has that kind of feel to it to be able to give you nostalgia. It's a joyful fragrance. It does feel light and airy as well. It's a floral fragrance, white floral. It does get powdery on the dry down. It feels delicate. It has a good freshness of flowers. It feels very pure, innocent, reminds me of the color white or pale yellow. It's a romantic fragrance and also has a warm feel to it, like feels like a warm hug, and overall it's also a sweet fragrance. So this is my overall review on Care Felicity, and again a good dupe of Kayali. I cannot seem to afford Kayali fragrances, but I can definitely get myself new Care fragrances as and when I want, and I can finish this and go ham with it without any guilt that I'm spending too much. So I really love the quality. Again, Paris Corner has done amazing job with this fragrance. I don't have any complaints. I don't have any grievances towards this perfume. Like I don't feel I wasted my money spending on a full bottle of this. And with the current season, that spring summer, perfect one to go for. I think I will make a video of my top 10 spring fragrances, and this will definitely be there. So that completes my today's review. I hope that it was helpful. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.